6 figures, yeah. Someone who know what to do with it, yeah. Someone who ain't on that goofy shit. I need to know what you gon' do. I ain't tryna go through days.
Hi guys, I'm back on another YouTube video, and today I will be opening this keyboard. It's a Bluetooth keyboard. Yeah. First I gotta get the tape off of it. See, there's tape on it, and this is the front. This is the back of the box. This is what the sides look like, the bottom. And yeah, I gotta pick the tape. So I'll be using these scissors to open it. So let me open it, and there's two sides to the tape. Okay, so I got the top open. And this is what it looks like in the box. And this is what it looks like when I take out the box. I don't like to talk when I do videos, so if you hear noise in the background, you wonder why. Louis. Yes, people in my house like to talk when I do videos. So if you hear noise in the background, you wonder why. Okay, here's the box. I just closed the box back up. If you don't need the box anymore. And so here's the thingy. I took the plastic off. No. And you can set out the timer, I think. I don't really know what this is for. That's what the timer thingy is for. But as this piece comes out, and there's a battery in the back already. Take the conversation in the room. Yes, there's people talking in the kitchen when they should be in their room. Yes, so there's the charger, and then I guess you hit this button and it turns it on, and you take your iPad out of the case. I believe you take it out of the case. You don't have to buy a new case because, you know, yeah. Take it out the case and you stand it up on here. You put it sitting like this. And then you go to your settings. This is my iPad. I will probably be doing an iPad, a phone, and iPad video for you. So first, let me turn my iPad on, because today is the first time I'm using this, because I haven't used it all day. And I'm gonna go to my settings. I'm gonna go to Bluetooth. I'm gonna go to here. And it's gonna say keyboard. Now my keyboard is connected. Now I'm gonna just go to notes. I'm gonna go into a random notepad. Wait, a random notepad. Wait, let me go to a notepad. Okay, let me go here. So this is my notes. I'm going to notepad thingy. And I'm gonna type hi. I'll put a shift. Hello, everyone. How was your day been? Question mark. So now I should or should not. And then here's my mouse, so this is what I typed with it. Hello everybody, how was your day? And that's what I typed with it. And I'm gonna just detach this little paper thingy, because I don't need it. Okay, and now we gotta go back to settings. And now we're gonna turn this on. Okay, so now my mouse is on. And now I'm going to write or play with my new keyboard. And one more time, here's the overall view of the keyboard. Yes, here's the keyboard out of the box. Yes, there is this button on the back right here. I think it's to lock it. It's to lock it, the keyboard. And here's the keyboard. I do recommend you go to Staples and buy this keyboard. I think you can also buy it on Amazon. And be careful when you're buying keyboards. Don't look at videos and watch and buy keyboards, because then you buy the wrong one and you have to send it back now. And this is the keyboard. Now I gotta send back, which I liked so very much, which I gotta put back in the box and send it back, because it's not Bluetooth. Yes, it's not Bluetooth. So like, comment, and subscribe. Bye, and put suggestions in the comments. Bye.